Hi everyone, it's Donna here. I have my kit from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft for April, and I am excited as for this month. It's kind of a garden theme slash Easter bunny kind of thing, and I'm totally stoked because I think it's pretty as. Okay, now let's get the business stuff over. Aunty Vera scrapandcraft.com.au, that is her shop. Check it out. She's always got tons of sales on, and it is brilliant prices, plus the postage is pretty cheap too, so yay. We've also got a Facebook group, and it's Crafty Vera and Friends, and come and join us because we have got tons of stuff there. We've got fun to be had here.blogspot.com.au. I'm also on Facebook, Donna's Fun Stuff. Da-da! Look, lots of little goodies. Love it. I absolutely love it. Now, I'm going to go for the big things, which is this kind of thing here. And I know you're going to say, Easter, bird, okay, eggs, get it? Okay, this is Sizzix Big Die, and this is Patchwork Bird, and I think it's gorgeous. Mr. Tim Holtz, of course. That guy is brilliant. I'll tell you, he's brilliant. Now, how pretty is that? It's, we might as well do these here. Well, let's do this one first. Again, Tim Holtz. I've got a thing for Tim Holtz, honestly. Illustrated garden. See that? So what I was saying about the garden will fit in with the papers. Okay, and look at these are just so gorgeous. I absolutely love every single one of these. They are just beautiful. Okay, again, that's Illustrated Garden. Okay, let's have a look in our bag. I haven't looked in this bag, so I don't know what's in here. Let's have a squeeze. We have got Doodlebug Designs, Shape Sprinkles, Bunnies. Cute, cute, cute. It's cute. And there's 25 pieces in there. And that includes the little flowers and that, I guess. So, we have, oh my gosh, again, Sizzix Tim Holtz. I told you I had a thing for Tim Holtz. Shaker domes. Now, they're not exactly shaker domes, but that's what most people use them for. There's 12 domes in here, and they're called dimensional domes. So I guess they don't have to be shaker, but you can guess where I'm heading. You can guess where I'm going. Shaker, of course. See. Primer flowers. Let me see. Items 597030. And that's the flowers. And that will go quite nicely with this paper. So, yep, brilliant. So there's 6 pieces in that one. And by the way, they're really quite soft. They're like a tissue paper. So, very pretty. We've got Bow Bunny layered chipboard. And this is a 7-piece Garden Grove layered chipboard. Okay. Aha! Easter bunny. We have our bunny, yay! But we also have lots of garden. We do have 1 egg, so that's pretty good. You can amaze what you can actually make with something like this. Okay, let's have a look at our papers. Again, it's Bow Bunny. Look, they make such gorgeous papers, don't they? And the quality is really, really excellent. And they smell brilliant. This one is Garden Grove Ambience, and it is double-sided, and it is beautiful. And that's even got a light pattern on that, and that's like a limeish green. But that is beautiful. This one is Vibrant. How pretty is that? I mean, that's really pretty. And again, a patterned yellow on the back. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This Tranquility. Wow. It's just gorgeous. Actually, that's my favourite piece so far. That's beautiful. And that's beautiful as well. It's like a sepia kind of look, isn't it? Love that. And this one is lovely. I was going to say it's lovely, isn't it? And that will match there. So that's absolutely beautiful. And some stripes. Some stripes. You can never know what you're going to do with stripes. And we got another piece, remember. So again, you sort of got this all going through, matching, and writing on the back. It's like a old paper style, that one. We have like a one of my shirts, actually it looks like one of my shirts. This is called Blanket, and you can see why. It's lovely. It is quite pretty in real life. It's beautiful. And the green to match all the others. That's quite pretty too, actually. That's a nice colour green, that one. We have next Flutter. That's pretty too. We've got little tiny butterflies here. That's quite pretty. That's lovely. And that's beautiful on the back. That's kind of like a greyish blue. And that's really, really pretty, to be honest. And we then have Spring. And we've got dots. Of course, I love dots. Everybody knows I love dots. And stripes, actually. So that's our papers, and they are beautiful. So we've got our papers, and these bags always come in handy. And we have our Illustrated Garden stamp set. We have our bird. We have our domes. We have some chipboards, some flowers, and shaped sprinkles. Now my favourite thing, my favourite thing would have to be this. That is just gorgeous. Absolutely love that. It's gorgeous. You know what? I think Tim Holtz should actually put out these already coloured. It would just make it a little bit easier for people like me. Okay. Don't forget, go and visit us on these places. And I will see you soon with some stuff that I've made. Bye.